Now we're going to use this screen printer, printing logo to this bowl, the big bowl. Like this is small cup, this one is too big. And we have to make a logo stencil and install frame here and put UV ink or softened ink here. And here is your logo template or logo cliche. Different pattern, we need to make a different logo cliche, and different size cup, we need to make cup mold like this. Each size you need to make a different cup mold. Okay. After printing pattern to this bowl, you can see it with high precision pattern.